Meaning of group. Meaning of group. A group is simply a number of people who interact with each other on a regular basis. It establishes relationship among social beings. ऑलरेडी डिटेल में हमने स्टडी की है काफ़ी चीज़ कि सिंपली हम कह सकें नंबर ऑफ पीपल है जो इंटरेक्ट करते हैं ईच अदर एक दूसरे के साथ रेगुलर बेसिस पे और स्टैब्लिश करते हैं रिलेशनशिप अमंग सोशल बीइंग्स. ग्रुप्स आर यूनिट्स ऑफ सोसाइटी having all characteristics of society except for the fact that groups are concrete entities. We live in groups such as families. We belong to group like clan and the like. Therefore, sociologists have also described sociology as science of social groups. सोशियोलॉजी को क्या कहते हैं? सोशियोलॉजिस्ट क्या कहते हैं? उनका कहना है कि जो साइंस ऑफ सोशल ग्रुप्स, ये क्या है? सोशियोलॉजी है. Persons in all the societies, in fact, are always involved in several forms of interactions having meaning and purpose. These appear in collectively as well as these interactions take place between persons having collectivity linked identity. These identities play an important role in forming groups. A group is two or more people who share a common definition and evaluation of themselves and behave in accordance with such a definition. A collection of people who interact with one another, accept rights and obligations as members, and who share a common identity. For a collection of people to be defined as a group, the members must interact with one another, be socially attracted to each other, share goals or objectives, have a shared identity which distinguishes them from other groups. People may underestimate the importance of society and group membership on their lives, whilst people sometimes undertake unaccompanied journeys on the basis of their own experiences of life involves being engaged with others and groups. The nature of these groups can be quite varied, from a family going for a walk to the crowd at a football game to an internet discussion group to a group of fellow workers. Criteria for a group include, क्या क्राइटेरिया है ग्रुप में, क्या इंक्लूड होता है? फॉर्मल सोशल स्ट्रक्चर, फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन, two or more persons, common faith, common goals, interdependence, self-definition as group members, recognition by others. हमारे पास और भी ग्रुप हैं, जैसे व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप है, फेसबुक के ग्रुप्स हैं आपके पास ऑलरेडी, आपकी क्लासरूम के ग्रुप्स हैं, एआईयू के आप ग्रुप्स हैं, बहुत से आपके पास सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म है, उनके ग्रुप्स हैं, फिजिकली आपके पास ग्रुप्स हैं, सोसाइटीज के अंदर आपके डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स हैं. ये सब ग्रुप्स की एग्जांपल्स हैं. Societies can be seen as large groups consisting of a myriad of subgroups. Attributes of a group. Benson 2001 identifies the following distinctive attributes of a group. Number one, a set of people engage in frequently interaction. They identify with one another. They are defined by others as a group. They share beliefs, values, and norms about areas of common interest. They define themselves as a group. They come together to work on common tasks and for agreed purposes. Group dynamics. The study of groups, group structure, group functions, and group behavior is simply called group dynamics. The group dynamics is that division of social psychology that investigates the formation and change in the structure and functions of the psychological grouping of people into self-directing wholes. Concept of group dynamics. The group dynamics refer to changes which take place within groups and is concerned with the interaction and forces obtained between group members in social setting. It is a study of forces operating within a group. A group doesn't simply mean individuals possessing same identical features. For instance, a collection of students doesn't form a group. These are class. A group is formed when the two or more individuals interacting and interdependent who have come together to achieve particular objectives. ग्रुप ग्रुप डायनेमिक्स और ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमने डिटेल में स्टडी किया है. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, व्हाई वी स्टडी ग्रुप्स, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ग्रुप डायनेमिक्स. हम क्यों स्टडी करते हैं ग्रुप और इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ग्रुप डायनेमिक्स क्या है. ग्रुप्स आर सिग्निफिकेंट इन मैनी वेज एंड कंडक्ट different sort of considerations are triggered when we analyze the groups, so the study of groups becomes more promising and workable when we discuss group in different aspects that are scientifically, sociologically, physiologically, practically and personally. जो डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स हैं जो हम स्टडी करने लगे हैं डिटेल में. नंबर 1, psychological aspects. Groups are important psychologically. Psychologically groups क्या है, important है for individuals actions, thoughts and emotions cannot be understood without taking into consideration the groups they belong to. हम किसी भी इंडिविजुअल के एक्शन, थॉट्स और इमोशंस को नहीं समझ सकते जब तक हम ये नहीं समझ लेते कि वो किस ग्रुप से बिलोंग करता है. एंड द ग्रुप्स विच सराउंड देम, और उसके इर्द गिर्द कौन से ग्रुप्स हैं. ह्यूमन बिहेवियर इज मोर ऑफन देन नॉट ग्रुप बिहेवियर, सो पीपल कांट बी अंडरस्टूड व्हेन कट अपार्ट फ्रॉम देयर ग्रुप्स इंक्लूडिंग देयर फैमिलीज, वर्क ग्रुप्स, peers. Group also have a profound impact on individuals. Group shape actions, thoughts and actions. Scientific aspects. Number 2. Scientists study so many aspects of the world, and it is ironic that they only began to turn their attention to themselves after they studied things like rocks, mountains, distant planets, and jumps. Groups are more interesting than these natural phenomena. Groups in natural phenomena से ज़्यादा interesting है and more complicated और ज़्यादा complicated है. Groups are also more interesting than individuals. Groups क्या ज़्यादा interesting है individual से भी. More powerful है, more dynamic है, more puzzling है and more challenging to study. किसी भी ग्रुप को स्टडी करना वो ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है कि हम किसी इंडिविजुअल को स्टडी करें. अभी तक हमने जो एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, 2 एस्पेक्ट स्टडी किए हैं. साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स के व्हाई वी स्टडी ग्रुप्स एंड इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ग्रुप. साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स के लिहाज से हमने स्टडी किया और साइंटिफिक एस्पेक्ट्स के लिहाज. थर्ड, sociological aspects. The dictionary that defines the society as an organized system of individuals as members of a community is mistaken. A society is more than individuals, rather, society is an organization of groups. Individuals are recognized by the characteristics of the groups they are comprised of. Societal forces such as traditions, values, and norms don't reach directly to the individuals, but instead these work through the groups to which each individual belongs to. सोशोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स के मुताबिक वो कह रहे हैं कि जो सोसाइटल फोर्सेस हैं, जैसे ट्रेडिशन जो हमारी हैं, हमारी जो वैल्यूज़ हैं, हमारी रसूमात हैं, जो वो डायरेक्टली एक इंडिविजुअल के पास नहीं पहुंचती, वो